Programming a transponder key for your 2004 to 2016 Chevy Malibu involves pairing the key's microchip with your car's immobilizer system, which is crucial for preventing theft. These keys contain a chip that communicates with the car's body control module. Successfully pairing allows your car to start. The keys contain a chip, typically a 4D or 5D chip, that sends signals to prevent unauthorized starts. The body control module, or BCM, is the brain that receives and verifies the chip's signal for security. The process generally requires cycling the ignition multiple times or using an OBD2 scanner to access diagnostic trouble codes. Note that Chevy Malibu key systems changed over the years, with pre-2008 models using simpler passkey 2 systems, while 2009 to 2016 adopt passkey 3 with encrypted transponders, complicating programming. DIY programming can save you money, averaging $100 to $250 compared to dealership costs, but it requires the right tools and knowledge. For DIY, you'll need a programmer that interfaces with your car's CAN bus network. The process involves putting your car into learn mode, which varies by model year. Be aware of potential challenges. Incorrect pairing can lock the BCM, requiring a reset. It's crucial to match the key's frequency and have a working master key. While tools like OBD key work well for older models, newer ones from 2011 to 2016 are harder due to encryption. Smartphone integrated programmers are becoming popular. If unsure, consult your manual or a technician.